Today I'm just gonna show you how to remove a RAM 1500 Promaster. Is a air filter, cabin filter. So you open the engine just like this, and then down here, guys, we have this kind of inlet thing. Alright, guys, when you're right here, just come close to this thing. See this plastic thing? You pull it away, you take it out. Once you take it out, guys, it should reveal some Phillips, the Phillips screwdriver. Phillips, there are two of them. So the cabin filter is in here. Look from down here. Oh yeah, should be all in right there. So here. So you do that.